As global financial markets unravel, it's fairly clear that Ethereum is much best placed than Bitcoin and is well positioned to survive the carnage better than the most cryptocurrencies. While the price could fall even further, it is likely to perform the over markets. Some analysts assert that the Ethereum could fall as at $2,700 in this bull run. Hello and welcome back to the Crypto Live. If you haven't already, consider hitting the subscribe button and turning on post notification. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin by value and market cap. That's its price soars over the last year. It's fighting to maintain its dominance in an increasingly crowded market. Ether is the cryptocurrency of the open source blockchain. Was first produced in 2015. It achieved parity with the US dollar in its very first year, and its price subsequently skyrocketed to about $3,100 in current area. If you had bought just 300 Ether tokens with $100 in 2015, your investment would be worth a whopping $960,000 today. Ethereum native token Ether has grown immensely in value since creation. Launched in 2015, Ether has increased in price from $0.31 at 2015, launched to around $4,800 at its highest last year, with plenty of the volatility along the way. The Ethereum movement highlights the key differences between the Ethereum and Bitcoin platform. The Bitcoin platform enables miners to mine for Bitcoin, but it doesn't support the development of other tokens or apps. Ethereum has fallen in a greater way than Bitcoin in 2022. It has been on a steeper path to recovery, gaining nearly 16% in the last 13 days. It is fair to say that while the next few weeks may be a high volatile due to the global economy, Ethereum is much better place for recovery. 85% of the panelists thinks the Ethereum long-awaited move to a proof-of-stake model, a way more the energy-intensive proof-of-work model used by Bitcoin, will likely to increase in the value of the Ethereum. The Google search volume has been one of the most important indicators of the price momentum with respect to Bitcoin and Ethereum. The higher search volume has been directly proportional to the higher traded volumes, in turn resulted in the increase in the price of Ethereum in Bitcoin. Ether seems to be a promising alternative to Bitcoin, but it faces a lot of the same challenges. Government-mandated bans on cryptocurrency trades, a growing number of the tax and trading regulations of cryptocurrencies, and wild price swings could all prevent Ethereum from hitting $7,500 this year. Despite Ethereum's competitions and other factors contributing to its ongoing volatility, there is a general sense of the optimism that the original smart contract blockchain will make it through this era of the trials. Rising inflation and interest rate could cause more investors to dump speculative investment like cryptocurrencies, especially Ethereum, because of its widespread adoption, which really can't be considered safe inflation has until their price actually stabilizes. 2025 could be the best for cryptocurrencies like Ethereum holders. Almost predicted price of Ethereum is $8,000 by the mid of the 2025. The highest predicted worth of Ethereum in 2025 is $15,000. While the lowest predicted worth of Ethereum in 2025 is $5,000. In 2018, the Federal Reserve's balance sheet reached a 2018 peak of $4.4 trillion. Ethereum reached a price of $12,053 on January 10th. The Federal Reserve's balance sheet fell the way until August 2019 to $3.7 trillion. Ethereum crashed a price of $400 in August 2019. If the Ethereum 2.0 model is successful and a proof of stake is properly implemented, we can expect the Ethereum to moon real hard, said panelists and the CoinSmart chief executive Justin Herzman. Wall Street giant JP Morgan warned Ethereum's high transaction fees and network congestions risk handing NFT markets share to rival blockchain Solana, something that could be a problem for Ethereum valuation, he asked in an interview. It is almost impossible to predict cryptocurrency prices in the long term in the exact manner. For example, the much-revered Goldman Sachs made a bold predictions that Ethereum would touch $8,000 by the end of the 2021. The actual price was about $3,800. Having said that, long-term predictions are essential for investors to decide whether to hold or sell cryptocurrencies. The long-term predictions are just only predictions based on creative ideas by some experts. So be cautious during putting your financial assets in crypto due to watching our channel videos. Our videos are only for entertainment purposes only, not a trading advice. So we are not responsible for any financial loss. According to 4 to 5 different platforms, Ethereum price could be more in worth from its current price. They predicted that Ethereum worth would be $4,000 plus. Data from Trading Beast, the lowest predicted worth of Ethereum by the end of the 2022 is $3,500. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap just after Bitcoin. The increasing popularity of Ethereum producing one question for the investors: will Ethereum be able to reach the price of $50,000 anytime soon? The simple answer is yes. But how? Let me explain. After Bitcoin managed to attain an all-time high of about $65,000, there were some other cryptocurrencies that have also rallied. As Ethereum climbs new heights, the forecasters are predicting that the new reach at 2013, the price of Ethereum would be about $50,000 anytime soon. The second largest cryptocurrency, according to ARK Invest, would probably surpass $20 trillion by market cap by 2013. Each coin would be priced at around $170,000 roundabout. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, with $12 billion in trading volume and $20 billion in capital. It would not be wrong to say that Ethereum is well known around the world as Bitcoin. In 2016, an exploits to the DAO project, a decentralized autonomous organization, resulted in over $50 million worth of the Ethereum being stolen. Ethereum was later split into two separate blockchains, Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. First ever Ether tokens was created in 2014, but they were not listed on any exchange. The first release of Ethereum blockchain was in 2015. After that, Ethereum team was able to return stolen money and upgraded their security systems. These measures had a positive effect on Ethereum price, which rose to $19 on 16 June 2016. That's it for today. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, consider hitting the subscribe button and turning on post notifications, so you will never miss any of our future fascinating and interesting videos like that one. See you next time.